Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wonder how to put even more money into a Roth account beyond the usual limits? Well, the Mega Backdoor Roth strategy might be your answer. It's a clever way to convert extra after-tax 401k contributions into a Roth, giving your savings the power of tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. This method essentially bypasses those typical Roth IRA income limitations, allowing you to maximize your tax-free savings potential. It's a fantastic option for those aiming to truly supercharge their retirement nest egg. So, why consider doing this specifically with Fidelity? Fidelity is often praised for making this somewhat complex process surprisingly simple. Many Fidelity-administered 401k plans are set up to allow both after-tax contributions and, crucially, the in-plan conversions needed for a Mega Backdoor Roth. This means you can often complete these steps right through their online portal or with a quick phone call, making it very user-friendly. The process itself typically involves 3 key steps. First, you'll confirm your specific 401k plan administered by Fidelity allows both after-tax contributions and in-plan Roth conversions. Then, you simply contribute funds to your 401k on an after-tax basis. This is a separate contribution beyond your usual limits. The final and most important step is to quickly convert those after-tax funds directly into the Roth portion of your 401k, allowing them to grow completely tax-free. The biggest benefit here is accumulating significantly more tax-free money for retirement, well beyond typical Roth IRA limits. Once converted, these funds grow tax-free, and qualified withdrawals in retirement are also completely tax-free. However, it's crucial to remember that not all 401k plans allow for after-tax contributions and in-plan conversions. Always double-check your specific plan documents or speak with your HR department to confirm this strategy is available within your employer's plan. Ready to explore this powerful strategy for yourself? Your first step is to confirm with your employer or directly with Fidelity that your specific 401k plan supports after-tax contributions and in-plan Roth conversions. Once confirmed, Fidelity can guide you through the process of making those contributions and initiating the conversion. Remember, while powerful, it's always wise to consult a qualified financial advisor to ensure this strategy fits perfectly into your broader financial plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.